Sudha.
And I am Madhav.
In rhythm, we have here at Lonavala, and after that experience, we were so excited about when the Kumarakam property came up. We really did want to buy that. And we went in for that. It was just like we were considering, like as I said, we were staying close to Lonavala. One day, some SMS came about normal SMSs that come for investment. We just thought that we'll have a look at it since it is close. We came here, we met Amit Pandey. We met Vaibhavji also, who's the owner of this property. Vaibhavji told us everything so clearly. We were not sure about the business model. Although we had heard of it, we were not sure whether it will work properly in India. After 10 years, we are saying that it does work. I mean, the people are so good. We have enjoyed along with our family. We have had celebrations here. My elder brother's 70th birthday celebration was here. So here the returns are absolutely wonderful these days. The team is really good here. They are very professional. They're so courteous. They make us feel at home. The best part of Rhythm Lonavala is that it is so close to the highway and so close to the town. And very serene, very peaceful. Kumarakam ka experience, I mean, it is heavenly. That pool, swimming pool is so good, it's so big. When we took this property, invested in Lonavala, I was absolutely thrilled about the model. The food is absolutely delicious. Here it is absolutely the variety, the spread, the taste, and the ambience of the places. When I bought this, that time I spoke about it to my colleague. They came here. They were also interested, and he wanted a studio just like mine with a deck. And he is also very happy about the investment. I invested when it was about to be completed. That is, it was still under construction. It did not commence the operations. ये एक part है जो एकदम they are happy about. जब ये रिटर्न का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट किस तरह से देने वाले हैं इट वॉज वेरी क्लियर अकॉर्डिंगली पूरे ऑडिटर सर्टिफिकेट के साथ में ये एवरी क्वार्टर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है एंड वी हैव नो इश्यूज अबाउट द कंपनी विद इन 1 week of the quarter getting over we are getting the returns in our bank accounts. No issues, no problem.
They are very much transparent about the tax, whatever they are paying, how, and you don't have to pay any society maintenance charge.
Yeah, or second, that's the second advantage that there is zero maintenance. If you have your own real estate somewhere, then you have to have that upgraded time to time. उसमें मेंटेनेंस का खर्चा सोसाइटी में आपने फ्लैट लिया है तो सोसाइटी मेंटेनेंस खर्चे तो पे करते ही रहना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे एब्सोल्युटली जीरो मेंटेनेंस वाइज यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड. देयर वाज नो एक्सपेंस एट ऑल. अगर आप कहीं भी आपका फ्लैट है और आपके रेंट पे दिया है यू कांट एंजॉय इट योरसेल्फ. यहाँ पे यू हैव दैट यू कैन एंजॉय दैट हॉस्पिटैलिटी. यहाँ आके आप अपने यूनिट में या किसी भी यूनिट में आपको जहाँ मिलेगा आप जब बुकिंग करते हैं तो you do get to enjoy all the facilities and the entire Rhythm team is I now started feeling like it's my family. बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे. It's very peaceful. इसको बढ़ावा देना चाहिए. It has to be encouraged and people should think about the business risk जो रहता है. Without risk you can't really have any investment deal. Take your mutual funds or even back deposit, they will have their own risk. But यहाँ पे अभी तक का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो है रिदम टीम के साथ it's been wonderful and please do go ahead and invest.